I'm Neville Smith, the station master at the beautiful railway station of Kuranda in far north Queensland. I've been here since 1986. The main specialty of Kuranda railway station is of course the station gardens, the ferns, pot plants, flowers, etc. And of course the 500,000 tourists that visit Kuranda each year. The signal box at Kuranda is heritage listed along with the station. They used to be situated in many parts of Queensland years ago, but with automation, etc., most of them have disappeared. First of all, I'm going to throw 2 signals back to danger, which admitted this train which has just arrived into Kuranda station yard. And the collar that I just placed on the signal lever is an extra precaution, so as we don't pull that lever and the signal to proceed to admit another train into the same track. I'm going to throw the track which we call the loop to run the engines around to the other end of the train, and this is the Cairns end of the yard which I'm going to change now. Well, the signal cabin controls the workings of the yard itself. The signal cabin's all interlocked underneath, which virtually means you've got to have the track set before you can get a signal to go to proceed. Roger that, John, over. The red ones are your signals, the black ones are your points, and the blue ones are your lock bars, which lock the points in position. This is the starting signal at the Mareeba end of the yard, which gives those locos the authority to go out and turn to come back. So I'm going to throw it back to danger. Now I'm going to set the track for the engines to come back around to the other end of their train, and this is at the Mareeba end of the yard. Which is the home signal to admit the train into the loop line, and the starting signal to give him authority to proceed right through. Andy, you've got the loop right through. John, over.
Roger that, thanks. No, 3032, Russell, bring it back through.
Once you get the hang of things, it's quite easy actually. I joined Queensland Rail because I always loved trains, and probably one of the highlights of my career here was when I met the Queen on her visit to Cairns a few years ago. The line was built originally to take supplies up to the tin miners around Herberton on the Atherton tablelands, and to bring tin back to the port of Cairns. Yeah, because of the rugged terrain that it was built over, there's 15 tunnels, number 15, which is the longest, being about 3/4 of a kilometre in length, and numerous bridges and curves, and of course the famous bridge around Stony Creek Falls. All this was built with pick and shovel and using horses and drays to cart their material.